Hello, I'm Dipendra Chetry and I secured rank 150 as an Assistant Accounts Officer in Assam Account Services. I had taken mock interview in competition care and it was my first mock. And as a student who was giving his first attempt, I was quite unaware about how the mock interviews or the final interview would be conducted. And to understand me better and to know what are the factors where I am lacking and what are my weak areas and what are my strong areas, I wanted to go for a mock interview and there I went for competition care. The panelist there was very helpful and very welcoming to me. When I entered, I still remember I introduced, I was quite awkward. I made the entry quite awkward and that was mentioned to me by the panelist that as to how I have to make an entry, as a first impression is always a last impression, was what was quoted by the panelist. And besides that, there were certain questions that they had asked me, which also I feel I had to research a lot about. And all in all, I felt the panelist and the environment around competition care was very cordial and understanding and made a candidate very confident in their skin as and when they're preparing for the interview or be it prelims or mains or any aspect of the examination. Thank you so much.